What's next for smart homes? What if your home could predict your needs before you even think of them? Imagine waking up to a house that adjusts the lighting, brews your coffee, and sets the perfect temperature, all without you lifting a finger. Welcome to the future of living smart homes. Today we're diving into the smart homes technology of the future, what it looks like, how it works, and why it's changing the way we live. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what's coming next, this video will give you a glimpse into the innovations that are reshaping our homes and lives, including products like the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and systems like brilliant smart home control installation. First, let's define smart homes. Before we jump into the future, let's start with the basics. What exactly are smart homes? At their core, smart homes are residences equipped with internet-connected devices that can be controlled remotely through apps, voice commands, or automation systems. These devices range from smart thermostats like the MYSA smart home thermostat to advanced lighting systems managed by platforms like Brilliant Smart Home for lights. The goal is simple: to make life easier, safer, and more efficient. For example, you can use your smartphone to turn off the lights after you've left the house, or ask a voice assistant like Alexa to play your favorite music while you cook dinner. But as impressive as these features are, they're just the beginning. The smart home technology of the future is taking things to a whole new level. Next, explore emerging technologies in smart homes. So, what does the future of smart homes look like? Let's explore some of the most exciting technologies that are shaping the homes of tomorrow. First, there's AI-powered personalization. In the future, your home won't just respond to commands, it will anticipate your needs. Imagine a house that learns your daily routine and adjusts accordingly. For instance, your alarm clock might wake you up earlier on days when traffic is heavy, or your coffee machine could start brewing as soon as your fitness tracker detects you're awake. This level of personalization is made possible by artificial intelligence, which analyzes data to understand your habits and preferences. Systems like Brilliant Smart Home Control installation are already paving the way for seamless integration of AI-driven controls. Next, there's energy efficiency. One of the biggest challenges facing the world today is climate change, and smart homes are stepping up to help. Future homes will be equipped with advanced energy management systems that optimize electricity usage. For example, smart grids will allow homes to store excess solar energy during the day and use it at night. Products like the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and MYSA Smart Home Thermostat are leading the charge in helping homeowners reduce energy consumption while maintaining comfort. Another groundbreaking innovation is health monitoring systems. Sensors embedded in walls, floors, and furniture will track air quality, temperature, humidity, and even your health metrics. If the air quality drops, your home might automatically activate an air purifier. If you're feeling unwell, sensors could alert you to potential issues like poor sleep patterns or irregular heart rates. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing early warnings for serious conditions. Platforms like Brilliant Smart Home for lights can also contribute by adjusting lighting to promote better sleep or boost productivity. Finally, there's robotics integration. Robots are no longer confined to factories. They're entering our homes too. From robotic vacuums that clean your floors to lawn mowing bots that keep your yard tidy, these machines are becoming increasingly sophisticated. In the future, we might see robots capable of cooking meals, folding laundry, or even caring for elderly family members. These advancements will integrate seamlessly with existing systems like Brilliant Smart Home Control installation to create a fully automated living experience. Now, let's discuss the benefits of future smart homes. Now that we've covered some of the technologies driving the future of smart homes, let's talk about why they matter. The benefits of these innovations go far beyond convenience. They have the potential to improve every aspect of our lives. First and foremost, there's convenience. Automation takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more important things. Instead of spending hours adjusting settings or troubleshooting problems, you can focus on work, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Devices like the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and MYSA Smart Home Thermostat ensure your home is always at the perfect temperature without manual intervention. Next, there's sustainability. As mentioned earlier, smart homes are designed to minimize energy consumption and reduce carbon footprints. By adopting eco-friendly technologies, we can contribute to a healthier planet while saving money on utility bills. Products like the MYSA Smart Home Thermostat specialize in optimizing heating and cooling systems to reduce waste. Another major advantage is safety. Advanced security systems equipped with facial recognition, motion sensors, and real-time alerts ensure that your home and everything inside it is protected. Some systems can even notify authorities automatically in case of emergencies. Integration with platforms like Brilliant Smart Home Control Installation ensures that all devices work together to maximize safety. Finally, there's the financial aspect. While investing in smart home technology may seem expensive upfront, the long-term savings can be significant. Energy-efficient appliances lower electricity costs, predictive maintenance reduces repair expenses, and remote monitoring prevents costly damages. However, challenges and concerns remain. Of course, no discussion about smart homes would be complete without addressing the challenges. While the benefits are undeniable, there are some concerns that need to be considered. First, there's privacy. Smart devices collect vast amounts of data about our daily activities, which raises questions about who has access to that information and how it's being used. There's also the risk of hacking, where malicious actors could gain control over your devices or steal sensitive data. Products like the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and MYSA Smart Home Thermostat come with robust security features, but users must still take precautions. Next, there's cost. Cutting-edge technology often comes with a hefty price tag, making it inaccessible for many people. Even though prices are expected to drop over time, the initial investment can still be a barrier for some households. However, solutions like Brilliant Smart Home Control Installation offer scalable options to fit various budgets. Another hurdle is compatibility. With so many brands and ecosystems competing in the market, it can be difficult to find devices that work seamlessly together. This fragmentation can lead to frustration and limit the overall functionality of your smart home. That's why platforms like Brilliant Smart Home for Lights are designed to integrate with multiple devices, ensuring smooth operation. Finally, despite these challenges, there are steps you can take to mitigate the risks. For example, always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and research products thoroughly before purchasing. Additionally, sticking to one ecosystem like Amazon, Google, or Apple can help ensure compatibility. Looking ahead, predictions for the next decade. Looking ahead, the possibilities for smart home technology are truly limitless. Over the next decade, we can expect to see even more radical advancements that push the boundaries of what's possible. First, there's the rise of fully autonomous homes. These homes will require minimal human input, operating almost entirely on their own. For instance, they might automatically reorder groceries when supplies run low or schedule maintenance for appliances based on usage patterns. Systems like Brilliant Smart Home Control Installation are already laying the groundwork for this level of automation. Next, there's integration with smart cities. As urban areas become smarter, homes will connect to larger networks to provide seamless experiences. For example, your car might communicate with your house to adjust settings as you approach, or your home could sync with public transportation schedules to optimize your commute. Devices like the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and MYSA Smart Home Thermostat will play a key role in managing energy usage across interconnected systems. Another exciting prospect is quantum computing. By processing massive amounts of data at lightning speed, quantum computers could enable faster decision-making and more efficient automation. Also, there's the potential for brain-computer interfaces, which would allow users to control devices with their thoughts. While this technology is still in its infancy, it holds immense promise for creating intuitive and accessible smart homes. How to get started with smart home technology? If all of this sounds exciting but overwhelming, don't worry. You don't need to overhaul your entire home overnight. Here are a few tips for getting started with smart home technology. First, start small. Begin with a single device such as an Amazon Smart Home Thermostat or MYSA Smart Home Thermostat. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually add more components. Then choose compatible devices. Stick to one ecosystem to avoid compatibility issues. For example, if you already own an iPhone, consider using Apple HomeKit compatible products or platforms like Brilliant Smart Home for Lights. Another important step is to prioritize security. Protect your devices by using strong passwords and enabling encryption. Regularly update firmware to patch vulnerabilities. Finally, stay informed. Keep an eye on emerging trends and innovations to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, the future starts today. From AI-powered personalization to sustainable energy solutions, the smart home technology of the future is here to transform our lives. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating safer, greener, and more efficient living spaces. So, which feature excites you the most? Is it the idea of a home that anticipates your needs, or perhaps the integration of robotics and AR? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. In our next video, we'll be exploring the top 10 must-have smart home gadgets for 2025 and beyond, including products like the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and MYSA Smart Home Thermostat. Until then, thank you for watching, and remember, the future of living starts today.